This is a room tour of Junior Suite 9648 on Independence of the Seas. As we come into the room, you have the desk, the bed, sitting area, the balcony, which is the best part of the room, right? And then on the right, we have the closet, and on the other side, we have the bathroom. But first of all, the muster station for this room is C20 down on deck 4. And then we'll go on into the bathroom. So, standard bathroom for a junior suite. One sink. You've got plenty of mirrors. There's shelving on each side of the mirror. And then you have the full-size tub and the Royal Caribbean shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So this room has the Salt and Breeze amenities. And the shower head is adjustable. Okay, and then on the mirror, again, there's the shelving. Okay, so that's the bathroom. There's a little bit of a step up into the bathroom. And there's the little step up, and then it's a step up into the tub. Then right next to the bathroom door, there is a full-length mirror. And then on the other side, we have the walk-in closet, which is really nice. It's very roomy, great for storing all your luggage. You got your Royal Caribbean Crown and Anchor robes, plenty of hangers, and lots of shelving over here. So plenty of storage in here. Then as we come on into the room, we have the desk area with the drawers. We have plenty of shelves and a small safe. It's pretty small. Wallet, passports, that type of thing will fit in there. Okay. And on the desk, we have the Lavazza coffee maker with the little coffee pods, a small TV, and then the refrigerator cooler, it's really a cooler, is down here. Okay. So again, you got the nice big desk, plenty of space to sit there with a nice lighted mirror for doing your makeup. Okay, on the other side of the room, we have the bed, nice Royal King bed, tables on each side. Okay, there's no phone over here. Okay, the phone is over on the desk. So you really just have, for plugs, it's really just these two American plugs for the room. So you really do need to bring an extender. There is a European plug as well. So you need to bring an extender for charging all your stuff. All right, then you've got the nice chair and footstool, a little table beside it, and then the little sofa with the table. And then let's go out onto the balcony, which again is the best part of the whole room. We are on the hump, so a little bit wider balcony. We've got 2 lounge chairs on one side, and then on the other side, there's a table and 2 chairs. We're on Independence of the Seas. Again, it's Junior Suite 9648. And we're in Port Canaveral today.